guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ego Trippin' and I'm back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. And we're gonna look in this bag. Now, I did receive a bag already, but I accidentally got another bag because I have 2 accounts and I didn't know that I forgot to put that bag on pause for the month. So we finna get into this bag and we finna see what Ipsy got. So it's okay. I just it is what it is. Okay, I make mistakes. So this is the card for the month, y'all. It is Power Moves right there, and this is the little bag right here. Y'all know I don't care about the bag, okay? You know I don't care about the bag. It's cute or whatever, but I don't care about the bag. I wanna know what's in this bag. So, the first item in this bag is the Saturday Skin. And this was something that I didn't receive in my other bag, so I'm not tripping. I do like Saturday Skin, and we'll be using it. This is a peel mask, I do believe. Let me look and see. It says, cleanse and then pat dry your face. Gently apply to the face and rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean in warm water. May be used once or twice a week. And it's what it says in here. Yeah, it's called Rubber Dub Refining Peel Gel. So maybe it's not a mask. I don't know. It says it's Peel Gel. An exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. So we definitely will try this out. I don't know how much it is because they don't have the products on the card. So this is Saturday Skin. This is the first product in the bag. The second product in the bag is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Marvelous. But I think I did receive this. Did I receive this? I think so. Where is this? Where am I? One that I was going to open. I hope I didn't open it already. I can't remember nothing, y'all. But I do believe it's the same one. Pink grapefruit. Yeah, it's the same one. So here it is right here. And it was pretty. It was super pretty. I enjoyed this. I like that. There's the color. And there. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I'm gonna put some on, being that I don't have any blush on. So see, that stuff is doing it again. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's really pretty. Let me set this down. Look at that blush. Yeah, I love blush. And then, I don't know if y'all can see, but I've been having an issue. I've been trying to mess with this Touch and Soul right here, this primer, but it seems like it exposes my pores even more after it sits on for a while. And I tried to mix it with a different primer and it's still looking like it's not working, but whatever, we'll figure it out. But yeah, this is the blush. It's really pretty. This is a pretty blush. I'm gonna see if I open this. I hope I didn't open it. No, oh no, I didn't. Good. It's not open. So that is that. I like that blush. I think when I tried it on last time, I had a blush over it, but this time I didn't have any blush on, so that's cool. The next product in the bag is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going to keep this because I love them, and I did receive this already in my previous bag. So this is that. Actually, it was what I was just using. I love this, so that's that. The next item in the bag is this MOTD highlighter powder right here, and I think it's a highlighter, I think. It says apply highlighter with a brush or a sponge in the high points of the face, cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of the nose. Yeah, it's a highlighter. Let's check it out. Here it is right here. It has a little strap thing right there. I like that. That's really, really cute. There it is right there. And of course, I swatched it already, but look how pretty that is. That's really pretty, and we're gonna put some on. That's really pretty. I'm not gonna go crazy today, y'all. That's pretty. Okay. I love that. Yeah, I know I love me a bright highlighter. That is pretty in a gold color. It's cute. It is cute. Okay, I like that. Okay, and our final item in the bag is this right here. And this is a liquid shadow by Lucky Chick. I've never heard of Lucky Chick, but... And it's in the color Rose Quartz right here. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. So that is that. Let me see. Ooh, look. I want to swatch it, but then I don't want to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Should I swatch it? I don't know. That's really freaking pretty though. I don't typically move. I need to start using these more, but that is pretty. So I'm looking at it to see if I should swatch it, if I'm gonna keep it or not. I don't know. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it. I'm gonna keep it. Let's see. That's really pretty. There it is. Look at that. That is really, really freaking pretty. So yeah, that's it. That is all that is in our bag. I love that bag. And everything was makeup except for the Saturday Scan. So for the month of March, y'all, we received this right here, which is a, what is this again? It's a liquid eyeshadow by Lucky Chick. We received, wait, So that was a good bag. So for the month of March, we received the Lucky Chick eyeshadow right here, which is really pretty. We received the MOTD highlighter right here. We received the Saturday Skin right here. We received the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz right here. So we received the Laura Geller Baked Blush right here. And the last product, what was it? Was that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that was it. That was it. So 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I be thinking I be having more than what I'm supposed to have. So that was the bag. That is the bag. That was all that we got in the bag, you guys. We got the blush. Yeah, brow pencil. The Saturday Night Skin. Why did I say night? Maybe I saying that the whole time. So it's not night. So we got the Saturday Skin. We got the MOTD highlighter. And we got this this Lucky Chick metallic eyeshadow right here. So that was a good bag. Not bad at all. Let me know what you think down below, you guys. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me. Okay, to me. And that is it. If I forgot anything, please share it to the game and not my heart. I thank y'all so much. I do. I thank y'all so very much. And that is it for this video. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. I am Ego Tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all. Have a wonderful weekend.